Hello, welcome back. So today I visited the supermarket and there are lots of new sets. Look at all these Lego Friends 2026 sets. So I'm just flipping the boxes to show you the boxes more clearly, but I turned them all back to normal after I finished filming it. Oh my gosh, this set is so nice, but you know what? This is actually a little bit smaller than I expected. This one's look nice too, and I just love this set, the axolotl adventure boat. I think it looks really amazing. And there's also this rabbit hotel set. This is nice too, but you know what? It's actually rather like very empty inside. But I thought it was gonna be like that because it's for 4-year-olds. And this one looks nice too. The fashion show set. I just love every set so much. This beach house looks amazing too. And look at Liam's house. It's just so wonderful. It's really amazing. And you know this one, the one that I bought. And there's also this unicorn delivery car set. This is very nice and cute. And let's see some other sets. Oh, this one looks nice too. This one is very nice, like the popsicle something set. And there's the convenience store set as well. It's very nice. It's very cute. The size, I think I imagined it like this. So the size is like kind of small, but I thought it was gonna be small. So anyway, there's also the clinic set. There's almost every set in this place, but you know there's like this horse academy set. That one, I never saw that one offline. That's only in online, I think. I never saw that offline. Anyway, there's also Disney sets. And I think they made the Ariel castle so well this year. And there's also like Frozen Castle and there's Olaf. And this one I just love, you know, the one with like Belle and Tiana. I think that was really nice. So there's also city sets and creator sets and also Ninjago. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye!